Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I totally forgot to do the intro, so basically I'm gonna do the intro right now.
Junior want to not be on my I can't really sleep, but did I miss ex-strippers.
What's up, guys? It's therealllltiny. We're back with another little mini vlog. So in this video you're gonna see me basically be doing a quick wig install. I'm showing you guys how I do my wig because I was in the process of 3 days because I had a lot going on. I was stopping a lot throughout the 3 days to do other things, so yes, it's gonna be a lot of chopping up and down. So yeah, go ahead and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every time they post a video. I hope I like my last video. And yeah, tell a friend to tell a friend. For all my girlies who want to learn how to do wigs on a quick aspect, y'all go ahead and watch this video. And if there's any other tips that y'all want to leave me, please leave me tips because I be needing tips too. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all in the video. Alright, y'all, we already stripped the wig off camera, so we just finna go in with our first kettle of water and pour it into any tub that you have, and then we're gonna place another thing of water on afterwards. This is basically just prepping the wig for the next water dye method that we're about to do. At this point, we're just prepping the wig. Now you're finna go with the holder spray, y'all. You want to spray that lace all the way around 2 to 3 times to make sure that it is fully covered and saturated. Don't forget, now this is to protect your lace, okay? Now you want to go in and dry. Make sure it's fully dry before anything else. Since I'm going for a red look, I went in with 1 bottle of the Wild Cherry. I do recommend wearing gloves with this process, y'all. The dye is super aggravating. Mix it. Little by little, just go in and keep dipping the wig in the water until it's fully saturated. I do suggest going in with a powder brush to get every nook and cranny up. But in my circumstance, I only had a detangling brush, so we had to do what we had to do. Once your wig is fully saturated, you can remove it at this point. But I let mine sit for an additional 10 to 15 minutes just so that it can soak up a little bit more of the color. Now we're preparing our braid down with 8 to 10 braids for our ball cap method. Keep in mind, these do not have to be perfect, okay?
Jerome Fandle.
From a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back.
Now we're gonna go in with the Got To Be gel and just place it on the perimeter of your hair and then comb back all of your edges.
I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike.
Once that's done to your liking, you go ahead and blow dry it in place.
I just take it day by day.
This is not mandatory, however, I do go in with the even holding spray just to secure my edges and make sure they're fully laid down. Once you place the cap upon your hair, you want to pull down as far as possible. Be careful when doing this. You want to cut a small hole into the stocking cap and just pull your ears through. Now we're getting ready to create the foundation for our ball cap method. I go on with some Got To Be spray. and spray in little sections, and then blow dry, spray and blow dry until it is fully dry along the hairline.
Gotta get that cash, funky past the lunch break. I ain't had a smoke break in about 2 days. You wait, been about 3 years since I dated you. Why you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better. You moved on to whoever.
This is another thing that's not mandatory. However, I do sew down the back of my caps to keep them from rolling up under my wigs and for extra security.
Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. God, these broken.
Alright, now y'all done got this far, so I'm pretty sure your foundation should be a bit decent. To get a seamless cut, all you have to do is pull and tap, okay? I don't really know how else to explain it. Here's a little hack I learned. I'm not even gonna gatekeep. After you cut your cap off, there's gonna be that little piece of cap that basically is still up. Apply a small amount of holding spray onto your finger and blow dry in small sections, just along the line of where the cap's still up. I promise y'all it'll have it looking seamless like y'all skinning.
All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot you love me.
Now you're gonna go in with your makeup. I personally use liquid makeup, and I place a little bit on my hand because a little goes a long way, and then I just go ahead and put it on my cap. Alright y'all, so basically we did the ball cap method already. And you're in here with the makeup. Now we're gonna take alcohol, wipe off the little excess makeup, and then we're gonna put the glue on. When I say boho glue disappointed, I don't know what they have in the ingredients now, but it was super watery and it was just not it for me. But I ran out of the Dollar Lace glue, so if y'all want a cheap lace glue off of Amazon, definitely go buy the Dollar Lace glue. It's like $7. Okay, y'all, so we're at the point where we're basically just refitting and reshaping our hairline to make sure everything is in place. When placing the wig down, make sure that you do one side and then the other. Now with the blow dryer, you're going to comb your lace into the glue. From here on, I'm just shaping and molding my hair to the style that I want it to be. Another thing I learned is use the back of that hot comb, okay? That is like one of the hottest places on the hot comb. Use the back of that thing. All right, y'all see this lace? It look real choppy, huh? Just give me 5 minutes.
Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. Hear you talking about we alive, you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hit now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch? I know what time it is right now. It's after 3 a.m., I know that's asking a lot of you right now. All you ever say is come and see me for once. Come and see me. You don't ever come to me, yeah. All he ever say is come and see me for once. Come and see me. You don't ever come to me, yeah. All he ever say is shit just got rent down. Hey, you talking about we alive, we are touchdown. Giving me the sign, so I'm signing now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? Hang right now.
Alright, y'all, so basically we're at the point where the wig come off, or the man come off. The wig is secure and intact, thank you. So right now we're just gonna turn on the popcorn, the lights and stuff, because now we're gonna do the hard part. Now, it's not really the hard part, but it's the styling for real. Because I'm not gonna do edges on one side of my head, which is off to the side that you're not gonna see it this time. But y'all hear the close up of the wig, I guess. I'm gonna clean this up, don't worry about it. So, matter of fact, I'm gonna clean it up and then show y'all what it looks like right there, because I'm embarrassed. But you see them come out this thing, and you see them come down, and you see how the wig don't come back after I wipe it off with the alcohol. Because guess what? That is melted down now. Thank you. Thank you. And you talk about your forehead, and it's crazy.
What is the look of? So many things I've got to tell you, but I'm afraid I don't know how. Cause there's a possibility that you look at me differently, love. Ever since the first moment I spoke your name, from then on I knew that by you being in my life, things were destined to change. Cause love, so many people you.
Okay, so now we're here. And you just gonna take, matter of fact, I'm gonna get this out of the sideways out my way because I'm trying to get my way. Just take a dab, don't take a lot. And just scoop it up. Like when I say up, literally up. Whatever sideways you don't want, just push them out the way with the little product that you do have, okay? You're gonna come back here. You're just gonna take this. And you're just going to curl the hair like so. And this is so, this is what you should see if you're enough. And just look like this. Spray your finger, have your blender right handy, blender you're ready. Put this right here.
Felt like I could die from the thought of losing you. I know that you're real, with no doubts and no fears and no questions. So many people, love, oh, love. being a man and handling your bitch. What love got to do with it? Ass that beat is talk.
We don't really need the hot comb at this point, but you can still use it, but not in the moment. Like, I don't really need it in the moment. Obviously, I'm gonna curl my hair. So yeah. Okay, so you can turn the hot comb off if you want to, keep it on if you want to, but I'm gonna show y'all how I curl my hair with a flat iron.
Water just my today. Don't give me for tonight. Sand don't envy the rainforest soul. And an oak tree don't envy see the trees. Why do we kill each other when we're all the same? We're all the same. And the rainforest song don't envy sand. So why do we kill each other? We're all the same. We're all the same. We're all the same.
Because I want to do something with that, so
see the tree, don't envy your tree. Don't envy the why do we kill each other when we're all the same? When we're all the same. 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 We're all the same. When we're all the same. Very passing moment. Thoughts of you run through my head. I am slowly realizing I think you're truly innocent. I think you're truly something special. Something my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around. Oh, I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it.
alright y'all, so basically this is the final look. So I can see it with the
Sit in that stove. Get your body. He's so sweet.
I'm crying. I guess. Okay, right. Super cute, super quick. Curls. You gotta play with the curls a little bit, depending on how you like your curls, but yeah. Alright, y'all, so we're back. We went ahead and took the hair again, fixed it up one, two, took a shower, all that good stuff. So y'all already know I had area. But it's my final freaking look. It's super cute, super cute, super cute. I love the color, like the color really eat. This is without the glasses, cause I'm gonna do my lashes, but without the glasses.
Probably, I just grabbed whatever.
I look so freaking cute. But yeah, y'all, so this is the end of this video. I hope y'all liked it. I hope y'all enjoyed. For those who did watch it, thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so that you get notified every time that I post a video. I will try to stay more up to date when it comes down to little stuff like this. And yeah, y'all. Alright, y'all. Later.
Trust in me. I can't. You said I can't trust in you.